Now, to graph the equation, all you have to do is take the set of all points that are solutions to the equation and plot them on the graph. To make the graph, here's the steps. Start with making a table of values. You don't have to plot every single point, that wouldn't be possible, but do enough that you can see what the pattern is, and then connect the points. Couple of tips. When you're making up a table of values, if you're not given a table of values, always start with function form, get y by itself, and then pick a few convenient numbers, positives, negatives, 0. If we want to graph an equation like this, the first step will be to put it in function form. Solve for y. We can do that by adding 2x to both sides. Y is now equal to 2x minus 3. Now we'll need a table, so pick a few values. Some convenient numbers might include -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. They didn't give us a table, so we made one up. Plug each number in for x, and then find the value for y. Plot all of those points. You can see that those points are now on our graph. You will notice that the points appear to lie on a nice straight line, so we will go ahead and connect the points by drawing a line through them. We do connect the points because our domain here was not limited to those 5 points. The domain would be all real numbers, including the ones in between the integers. We put an arrow to indicate that the graph keeps going after that. A couple of definitions for your notes. A linear equation, look at the first 4 letters, you'll see a root word. A linear equation is an equation whose graph is a line. Standard form of a linear equation would be ax plus by equals c. That looks like a lot of letters, but remember that a, b, and c are actually indicating numbers. So standard form would be something like 3x plus 2y equals 7. Keep in mind that a and b cannot both be 0, although it is okay for one of them to be 0. Now, what does happen if you have a is equal to 0? Well, let's check that out. Let's say a was 0, b was 1, and c was 2. Plugging those into standard form, we have 0x plus 1y is equal to 2. Or simplify that just a little bit, y is equal to 2. If you were to make a table, you would see that our ordered pairs would be ordered pairs such as 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, and so on. For every single value of x, the value of y is 2. So when you plot those on the graph, you'll see we get a horizontal line lying 2 units above the x-axis. And turn that around. What happens if b is equal to 0? Well, if you make up some ordered pairs here to solve the equation x is equal to -1, we would have ordered pairs such as -1, 0, -1, 1, -1, 2, and so on. When you plot those on the graph, you will see that those make a vertical line 1 unit to the left of the y-axis. So to summarize, an equation in standard form would be ax plus by is equal to c. If it happens that either x, the coefficient of x or the coefficient of y happens to be 0, you'll get a horizontal or a vertical line.